Introducing Ramuc PSL, the ultimate nitrile rubber caulking material engineered for demanding pool environments. Designed to seal expansion joints around pool perimeters, Ramuc PSL adapts to the natural movement of pool structures caused by temperature changes and water pressure, ensuring a long-lasting, watertight seal. Ramuc PSL excels at repairing cracks in pool walls, steps, and other vertical or sloped surfaces. Its advanced formulation allows it to be applied directly into cracks, up to a ½ inch wide, even under wet conditions without sagging. This versatile material ensures integrity of your repairs, providing a reliable solution that stands up to the challenge of pool environments. For a durable, watertight seal in any pool application, trust Ramuc PSL to deliver exceptional results every time.